Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Chanel wallet unboxing, and this is the classic small flap wallet. And I bought this because I've been using my Goyard one for almost 5 years now, where I have a YouTube video somewhere on my channel, which I did an unboxing on that one too. So I was like, why not make this like a annual thing, or like a tradition where I unbox every wallet I've ever gotten on here. So this is how the box looks like. I bought this in Tokyo because I recently just came back from Tokyo and it was cheaper to get it there because of the currency exchange rate. So let's get into it. So first it looks like this. I'm gonna undo the ribbon. Now I'm gonna lift the box. So first you get this here, which is a bunch of random instructions in different languages. I could not even tell you what these are, but it's just random instructions. Yeah, we have this. Let me put it aside. Then we reach this, which is the beautiful, beautiful case. And it's empty. So let's open it. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. This is lambskin. And there's this little pocket area which you can put stuff in. We'll open it up. And this is how it looks like on the inside. There's this little pouch for coins, and then there's two card holders, and there's this huge flap for cash, and there's two more card holders on the inside, and you can put stuff inside here as well, and stuff inside here. So yeah. This is basically how it looks like. And maybe I'll do a comparison video of this to my Goyard wallet if anyone wants to watch that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful or found it interesting or some sort. I'm so in love with this because this is so pretty, and I'm so grateful to have this. So if you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. See you!